Today, we're hailing out of Kingston. Half a tree to be exact. Yeah man, yeah man. Thank you so much. Yeah, oh, your print looks so pretty. Right. My traveling family, welcome to another video. And today, we're hailing out of Kingston. Half a tree to be exact. Half a tree transport center. We're on the top upper floor. And my people, today's journey, we're gonna be traveling. It's gonna be another walking video. A video where no one would want to miss. Because Everblessed Travels will be narrowing down the driving for you. So how many of you have drive, not seeing the up and closeness of this particular here? Everblessed Travels is here to narrow it down for you. And we're in half a tree. And half a tree look like this from the upper floor of the transport center. We are outside. Look at.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop this from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you,
KFC. Just gonna be showing you my people as to what half a tree look like on a Saturday 2024. 2025, halfway tree, we're outside, like the white line. No fear, no joy. No, we're not buying nothing. And next time, my brother, one next time.
Right, but I mean,
Distance. Hi.
100.
I saw me go take on the street like how them people take on the white line. Halfway tree. So today's video, my people, I'll be joining into walking from halfway tree to Emancipation Park. Afternoon, my friend. You know Emancipation Park? You know Emancipation Park?
Right there.
The one over on the side of the
Yeah.
Alright? You know that journey?
Yeah.
You think I can walk this way from this point?
Just walk that way.
I want to walk this way. You just take out my bag. You want to say hi? You don't want to say hi. You know the festival song we're going to bust out tonight? Tonight is the final of Emancipation Park. You didn't know. Time passed by and you would know, don't you?
Yeah.
What is going on?
Get boring.
Oh, Jesus.
We can cross.
Alright. So you're going that side?
We're going that way.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I wish you were going that side. Then I would have company.
Maybe next time.
Yeah, please check out my bag.
Alright, we'll
Hey,
do.
look how you look nice. Alright, we're outside. And the plant man and the jackfruit man come out. See? I asked a female if she knew about the festival song. She says no. So that means something I'm going to write with the festival song of this year, 2025. If it was a time when Ryan entered, it would be a different thing. Yeah, man. Because Ryan vibes it up. And everybody has sing festival song. I want to go on this year. But anyway, my people will be taking you to Emancipation Park where the final will be held tonight. Not too sure if I'll be covering the event because of copyright issues. I might just run away. So we're taking on the street here. Can I make it? So my people, leave for me in the comment which town you want to see next. We'll be on this. We're taking on the street. Yeah, like this. Walking from halfway tree to Emancipation Park. Hey, I wonder how long I'm going to be taking to get there. How many minutes? How many hours? See, it is now 4:46. So that means I started 4:40. All right, let me see what time we're going to be. How long it's going to take me to walk to Emancipation Park. So if you have watched thus far and don't get a welcome, Ever Blessed Travel is saying, if you are new, welcome to this travel vlog where we walk, we ride, we drive, we fly, and we show beautiful things, people and places. Yeah, we're outside, like Jamaica walk by. Yeah, man. That's how we are going to do it. building that a post Usain Bolt. I wonder. Eh. It's a tower. Star Trek tower. Hi, how are you doing today? Are you know the festival song that will be final tonight? You know any? Can I show you? Can I? Please, here you go, princess. Oh. I wonder what's the give her a fire. But not too sure if how many persons are offended by me using the word are calling them princess. Pick up yourself right. Alright. Hi, good evening. Tonight is the festival song. You know any of the festival song that we sing? Nobody. How what? Nobody don't know the festival song? If I bless you ask a question and you don't know for yourself. I don't know them either. I wonder why? If they didn't get enough promotion or what? But anyway, we are outside. I'm going to take on the street and I'm going to take it on without fear. Big up yourself, my general. Festival final tonight. You know any of the festival song? You don't know none? You know none? You know any of the festival song? No, me I ask if you know any. So no. If it was when Eric Donaldson and Ryrie and time, you think me could have asked anybody and they don't know?
Yeah, no, more I know that.
So what go on here now?
No, I don't really know that. If you were Donald Erickson.
In a film time, everybody know about festival song. But all of a sudden me ask about 5 somebody since and no one knows what is going on.
Yeah.
Ryrie and I have to wake them up again with fever. You didn't know fever? You never know Ryrie and I was a fever. I check up a blog with you. Yeah man. If I Ryrie and I sing fever, everybody don't know about. Alright. So we're walking through and we're going to make up all the nights before we reach Emancipation Park. Yeah. Hi, good evening. You know any of the festival song that will be the final tonight? You don't know that? Cha-cha. Outside. So I wonder if we should start count how much people. Alright. We gone about 7 already. About 7 people me asked already and they know. They don't now. So that means they need to be promoted some more. Festival song 2025. Nobody knows. I think the last one was won by Blvd. How much people know that? Don't ask everybody, I don't know of myself. But I'm not laughing at persons for not knowing. Good evening, Prince. Do you know any of the festival song will be the final tonight? Jeez, so much people don't know. Yo. But anyway, when we make a confession, Kingston is pretty. Take a good look. I'm gonna be asking a few more people too. If you reach this far in this video, please to give it a like. I'd appreciate. And also, don't leave the like dry. Leave a nice comment. And the comment, I would love the comment to say where you would like to see Everblessed Travels next. Yeah, which one of the town you want to see me, because I take on the town them and I take them on without fear. And that is no joke. Yeah. No fear. Make it loud and clear. We are outside. Right, this white lot. Forgive me, my people, if I'm not naming the streets. If I don't see the notice board, trust me, I'm not gonna be able to tell you the name of the street. Yeah, but what I know for sure is that I'm leaving from Way Tree, and my destination today will be Emancipation Park. Stay tuned. Watch for look out for all while go on. Yeah. So, my traveling family, have you give this video a like yet? If you are new here, I'm gonna be asking if you my people please to subscribe to my channel. Yeah man, road to 10,000. Yeah, I go ask this nice princess here again while I go on. Yeah. Good evening, princess. The festival song is the final tonight. Do you know any of them? You don't know that song? Nothing to be ashamed about. I've asked 8 persons already and no one knows. I'm a YouTuber, I go by the name Everblessed Travels. You mind shout out to socials? TikTok, what you do?
None of the above.
You don't do none of them? Oh, everybody do TikTok and you choose not to. Well, just check out the vlog and you say, oh, you smile. Cute.
Okay.
Appreciate you. Alright, good. Alright, we're going to. So we got 9 persons may out already. And nobody don't know. So nice. It's a car mat here. Oh. Jam groups. Jam school. Jam group. Yeah. So as we tell you before, we are taking on the street and we are taking it on without fear. Yeah. So when I cross the street in Kingston, I try to enter it from the narrowest end. But should in case, I can run. Yeah, man. I see her, oh, she's crossing over. And my mind tells me she don't know when I sang, you know. Jaja. Princess. And somebody in the comments to tell me what is wrong with a male calling a female a princess. And don't worry about what I know. I want to know what you think, because you are my followers, you are my supporters. You support Everblessed Travels fully. And I just want to tell you thank you so much for your continued support, to be watching my videos as soon as I upload them. Appreciate you, my family. Continue to watch my videos, continue to share it with your family and your friends, and listen out for Everblessed saying appreciate you. And there's 2 words in that: there is appreciate and appreciate, which is correct. Northern Caribbean University. That is it, right there. And while we see that, we're taking on the streets. No joke. Countryside TV. Big up yourself, my general. My people, Countryside TV is a young YouTuber, and I'm going to be encouraging you to check out this channel. A young man, small-bodied man with a big heart, big dreams, intend to go places. So please to check his channel out, give him some watch time so that he can be monetized, so that he can be able to walk around and feed his people. Yeah. At the same time, same breath, as the video tourist is in the same position, struggling for watch hours. I'm gonna ask a few more people to the love that you're showing Everblessed Travis. I'm gonna be asking you to extend it to as the video tourist, and we're also gonna be asking you to extend the same love to Naomi J Sexy's 30 yards. Yeah, man. Please to watch her videos, give her some watch time, and I leave her a comment, and I promise you she come back to say thank you. I know the persons that I'm recommending to my people, I know them. I know, and I know the quality of them. Yeah. Happy Independence to all my children and grandchildren. Names of my grandchildren: Jay, Neil, Mia, Safria, Sage, there are some more grandkids there, there's 7 of them. I don't know what you was like. I don't know. Yes. So we're taking on the street and we're taking on every one of them, showing you whatever Bless is doing is narrowing down the speed in which I travel on a daily basis in this area, and show you them slowly. So all of the things that you drive past and know that they're there. This is Everblessed showing you them up close and personal, slowly. Yeah. legal. Taxi pick up a passenger in the middle of the street. Only in Jamaica. Pretty painting. I noticed in Jamaica here, Jamaica is taking over with all these beautiful paintings. The artwork is showing. Yeah, and that is Oxford Road. That's for sure. Oxford Road, New Kingston Cross Road, downtown. Yeah. Now, this road, Carlton Crescent. Didn't know that before. Now everybody's know. Courtesy of this walk. Thank you. Thank you, YouTube. Ever blesses. Exposed to a lot of places, a lot of stuff. Drive through this area all the time. But today, I am walking. I know I appreciate this walk very much. Yeah. Expose Ever Blessed Travels eyes to a lot of beautiful things. And this one, this sign is saying Halfway Tree, Crossroad a down so, Halfway Tree up so, downtown Kingston a down so. So then vice versa. Blow the whistle, G. Nah, alright. But the people are going to tell me now, say, I know, blow him and blow a whistle. So I have to know what him do. Wow. Jamaica. Culture. Don't play. No joke. Big floor advertisement board. Yes. And Crossroad is that way. Emancipation Park is that way. Yes. Some people, you see this white line here? This white line is in the street. And you see how this white line is stuck to the street? This is what it is when I say, may I take on the street like the white line. This is the white line that I'm talking about. Yeah, man. Sit down on it. Yeah. And my people, I'm going to take a look on that. I'm going to take a look on Jamaica. On the Jamaica, you see them things. On the Jamaica. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, you hold them. Oh, you mean? You run out of gas? I trouble you, man. No, I'm run, come and take a little closer look on the creation here. But I want to Jamaica. I asked him if he run out of gas and he said, no, I'm engine. Jaja, you're outside, like the white line. Whoa! Whoa! What go on, my father? You wonder when I run down the man this up? I ask you what you wonder. Don't wonder, me no crazy. I'm just being creative. Creating content. So we have to do what we have to do. We want my people to see that. So I run it up. Yeah. See there. We're going up on that road. Make it a grass. And the brother just smile with a party. Alright. Why you look so scared, Princess? Princess looks scared. I say, where the man there go with the camera there? Alright. National Housing Trust. Right there. Pegasus Hotel is in the distance there. Yeah, man, no joke. Can just imagine it's early hours, and I'm just imagining what later on is gonna be like. I know it's gonna be jam-packed. I know that for sure. Yeah, man. Ball out one hurl is a no vending, and you can see that the park is fully dressed in Jamaica color. Them say independence. But today is not Independence Day for sure. That should be on the 1st of August 2025. Yeah, man. People them outside from early, make sure that them capture. Yeah, crossing over on this route here, so I go and see. Hurry across the bus over did not get down. Yeah, man. So the vendors are out. Yeah, nice. I have to grab a water quick and fast. So, see how them, see the decoration, my people. Yeah, man. The gate is open, and I'll be taking you to that park and show you the beauty of the inside. No joke. Whoa, this walk is a beautiful one, and there are a lot of birds here. Yeah. Emancipation Park. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nice. The beauty of Jamaica is here. Yeah, man. Beautiful. That's Pegasus Hotel. And this is the monument. Yeah. Take a good look, my people. Yeah. But walk slow for you. Show you the beauty of this statue here. Representing Jamaica. Yeah. I'll give you a full tour around. No joke. Yeah, full tour, my people. Yeah. See? Yeah.
Yeah, man. See, that's a picture, man.
I birthday, General. Take a big drive, Mama G.
Birthday. Yeah. One quad year badness.
Wait a minute.
Quad year badness.
Quad year?
I'm missing up a picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're outside to Mama G. You celebrate birthday for independence.
Yeah.
Cha-cha. Yeah, man. Nice ride. Nice place to take him to.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna encourage you. Some of you look at 1, 2, 3, 4 subscribers. Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man.
Outside. Emancipation Park. Yes. Today we are with your name.
Hi, this is Yashi, and I just want to give a shout out to Everblessed Travels, and I want to big up my online store. It's for kids. As you can see, my son is in the background repping for Q's Kiddies Boutique. You can find me on Instagram, and you can find me on TikTok, and change that.
No, just keep going.
Yes, you can find me on Instagram, and you can find me on TikTok, and it's Q's Kiddies, Kiddiz boutique.
Can't miss that.
Yeah.
And she says she's shy and she's outside. And you are what? You shy too?
Yeah, that's
Hey,
my
mom.
niece. That's my mom.
Mommy, you look so young, mommy. You have such a big daughter. The people look at her daughter and oh, mommy.
Yes, it's
you,
my mother.
You come out. You come out. Are you a niece? Pick up your TikTok page. You're not shy when you're telling people to subscribe to you.
No, remember, I said something wrong.
No,
So
you're not.
edit
Let me tell you
out.
something. You know, worry yourself. People like when it is like that.
No,
Raw.
I don't want nobody laugh after.
No, there's no laughing. You hear? Because guess what? Who's perfect?
That's true.
Who is? Tell me.
I'm giving you another. I'm actually giving you another take, so you can put it in the
Yeah.
part that I say it correctly.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So that is it. So, and today we are at Emancipation Park and you're celebrating your son's
Birthday.
second birthday.
Yes.
And
Can't go inside. Don't put it inside.
yeah. So we're gonna be circling around and expose the beauty of this place. And you check out your vlog and you're gonna see how pretty you are.
All right.
Mommy.
Have a good one, okay?
Nice daughter. All right. Enjoy your family, mother. Yeah, we're outside. Yes. Emancipation Park. We're celebrating. Yeah. Hi, how are you doing today?
Fine, sir.
Huh?
Fine.
Just to check out my vlog. Alright. I will notice we have a nice pool here. And they're still celebrating with the statue there. Beautiful place. It doesn't get any better than this in Jamaica. Hi. If you have yourself. You wanna have a shower? You wanna have a shower? See, so we're gonna be walking through this place slowly. As you can see, people is hanging out in this area. People come with their towel and they spread out the towel and they, yeah. That's how I think come down. This one is on the right of the entrance. Yeah, George William Garden. Outside. Pick up yourself, my G. Yeah. Yeah, man. You see. Yeah, man, we have to acknowledge them. You see. And walk up on it. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. Ever blessed travels, man.
Yeah, man.
All right. You watch YouTube all the time?
Yeah, man.
Check out the channel, you know. Channel there, I showcase beautiful things, people and places, you know.
Yeah, man.
So you see the beauty here? I expose.
Ever blessed.
Travels, man.
Yeah,
We're traveling, man. We're showing all of the towns and we're showing our country nice. Yeah, man.
Black people.
You see?
Unite.
Yeah. I just that we want, you know. I just unity, you know.
They could love more.
And the man named Paul Bogle. Paul Bogle up on the right hand side again.
Yeah, man.
Let's see if we can give him slow that my people can get a little close-up look for read. Nice. Yeah. Marcus Garvey. I mean, notice that you pose upon him. Pose upon him and make everybody say yeah, unite with the general, man.
Marcus Garvey,
So Marcus Garvey,
Africa,
yeah.
back, educated black people.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, educated.
Sound like you know a little about your history too.
Oh, yeah, man.
Good look.
Oh, yeah, man.
Celebrate independence.
Oh, yeah,
See?
man.
Alright. And we have some more places we'll take a look on them.
Oh, yeah, man.
And we have water up on the left and water up on the right.
Oh, yeah, man.
And today, and we have one wedding over there, sir.
Yeah.
Chacha.
Yeah, man, what a wonderful
You see it?
Yeah.
Independence, close to independence, same August 1,
Yeah.
independence. So they choose to get married before them Independence Day come. And the stage I go on with a whole heap of things later on. Where the festival
Yeah, man.
song, them are going to come out. You know any festival song, G?
Yeah?
You know any festival song?
Festival
Sir
song.
William Alexander Bustamante.
Yeah, man.
Eh.
Yeah, man.
Him look serious though, like him not joke.
Yeah, man, when I fight.
Him ain't joking of him time.
No, man.
Yeah, man. So him now.
I want another one, you know.
Next bad man is the name of the airport on fire.
Yeah, man.
I notice you take a practice with lean up on each one.
What you mean?
You're well proud of them.
What you mean?
You see?
You fight for Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So the stage I go set up later on. Some big tune I go bust on it. RGR did there.
Festival.
Yeah, festival song competition. I wonder, me don't know the song, the people that sing the song them, you know? Chacha. You know any festival song, Princess? do you have a problem with me saying princess, calling you princess? Okay. My brother, I noticed you know a little bit about history.
Yeah.
What is wrong with a male calling a female a princess?
Nothing no wrong with that. It's a natural thing where everybody have to call somebody about, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, man, united. You can't call somebody misjudge them or, you know.
So princess is just natural thing.
A natural thing, man.
Alright.
The woman, them, you know, cause Africa, everything.
I saw me the feel about it, but I know everybody feel the same way.
No, man, a princess and, remember say, a man can say, in general.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And a man can a man can call somebody in prince.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Prince is a nationality. Is what? Some people take some offense to it, and I wonder why. So, but me know of myself. I wish I could talk to one of the person who's gonna perform tonight, who enter one of the festival songs. I'm searching to see if I could find one. Might be too early.
Yeah. Over here, so it used to be the park that the water. We not see it. Like,
It's so sad. It's not working today.
oh.
So sad. But me like how them they put the colors around.
Yeah.
They cut Jamaica color pretty.
Yeah, man. Nice.
If we check it, I wonder if it's one of the prettiest color flag that's ever made.
They're on him up right now.
It's one of the prettiest? Okay. And the African flag is nice too?
Yeah, man, African one. And guess what? With Jamaican flag, specialize in it. You know, have too much. No, they like it.
Yeah. For real.
The colorness unique.
Yes. So this is where the
Everything I go
that's all I think I'll go on. Festival 2025 song contest.
2025, yeah, right.
Yeah man.
National health.
And I mean nothing no festival song can come near to Ry and Eric Donaldson and them Badman Day.
Yeah,
If it was in the time when Eric Donaldson or Ry and them are singing, everybody would know Ry. I asked 10 persons already.
Alright. Yeah, you see the music culture now is a talk about tradition thing, like Bob them.
Yeah.
The Bob and the Whalers, about from music is a gospel to the soul, like it have a nine everybody. Because sometimes people we are go through peer pressure and all those things, and one song just keep him energetic and keep going.
Yeah, you DJ, you sing?
Go me? No, we didn't try something one night but he couldn't make, you know.
Okay.
So I mean, slow you alone.
Okay. You know,
And do the body work thing, you know.
Oh, you do the bars. Yeah. Okay, yeah, man. Are you good at it?
Yeah, man.
So you get a lot of jobs.
No, me rest it now because my mother and my brother they in job out. Yeah.
Real? Thank you so much for subscribing to my page.
Are you this?
Yeah, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, my people, we continue to show the beauty of Emancipation Park. Yeah, right here in Kingston. And that right there is the Pegasus Hotel. No fear, no joke. Thirst is kicking in. Let's have a look at water. So open your eagle, let me see about yourself. Today we are with Mona. And you do TikTok?
No, I use
Instagram?
Yes.
Give your Instagram page a shout out. Encourage persons to subscribe to you.
from Jammun, American. You can subscribe to Jammun from Jammun American. Subscribe.
Yes.
Yes. So meet me up there and have a great time.
You're an entrepreneur in the street. Let me see what you're selling here.
I can see
Yeah.
these.
You sell these.
Yes, and some water, some juice.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Real hustle in the street.
Yes.
That prevents you from. And what else you sell?
No hair.
What else you sell? Let me see what you. Show me all that you sell.
Popcorn.
Is that your mom?
No, my aunt.
Okay. All right.
Popcorn, snacks.
All right. Now you do popcorn.
Yes.
Appreciate you for being on camera today.
Thank you.
All right, cool. We are with?
Yeah, man, I'm Oliver Ashley, one of the finalists.
Yes.
Yeah, one of the 10 finalists.
Yes.
And I'm here tonight to render my winning song.
Yeah.
You know, Jamaica, you have it all.
Yes.
And I hope that the vote is still coming in.
Yes.
Yes, from all our fans out there.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
So, hopefully, I only can write the song, you know,
Yes.
and produce the song, go
Yes.
to the studio and do the song and
Yes.
so on. But you guys out there, all you new true and YouTube,
Yeah.
you are the one that can make me
Yes.
No,
Sorry I didn't meet you earlier on before
winner.
now.
Yes, true.
So you give me just a quick line?
Yeah, what? Jamaica have it all. Jamaica, you have it all. Small island with big vision. Champion in the Caribbean.
Jesus.
Jamaica have it all.
I don't want to win for you.
Jamaica, you have it all.
See it there.
Listen, from the Blue Mountain Peak to the white sand beach,
Jaja.
a tropical island with the cool breeze. The coral reef is a sight to see. People come to Jamaica to have a good time, relax and just unwind. The food and the vibes and the perfect smile, so divine. Jamaica have it all.
Jaja, me like it.
Jamaica, you have it all.
Me like it.
Small island with big vision, champion in the Caribbean. Jamaica have it all.
Hey.
Jamaica, you have it all. Yeah, what? Our vibrant energy echoes across the world, from the legend Bob Marley to the big man Usain Bolt. Once you experience it, then you will understand why Jamaica is the destination for tourist attraction. So much diversity in our culture. I want you to understand. Jamaica have it all. Yeah, man.
Good idea.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Good luck. Good luck, my brother. Good luck.
Thank you.
So let me do it like this. Whoa, Jamaica. We have it all.
We have it all. We have
Yeah,
it
man.
all. We have it all. So make me your winner this evening. So go ahead. My number is to vote for is 876-444-7701. Again, the number is 876-444-7701. Thank you.
You
to
send
make
both
your
again.
winner. Yes, man. You send both.
See me do it. My brother.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Proud moment for you. Proud moment. Yeah.
The winner song.
Yes, you see. Yes. So. Yeah.
Her hips, you know? So
Yeah.
we just go for the support.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
For the lyrics and the rhythm.
Yes.
The winner for
Jaja, it sounds nice to you.
Yeah,
Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver.
we didn't record that.
Yeah, man, it's a record. Mr. Oliver, let me tell you something. I'm telling you, good luck now,
Yes.
and I'll be at Denby Showground. Please let me say congratulations.
Yes. Congratulations.
Go, when you go up on the stage, no go play.
All right.
Go deal with them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I like his song. Yeah. Yeah, oh, your print looks so pretty. Emancipation Park. Active. Yeah. So the stage has been set for the live performance later on with all the festival songs. And I'm going to be encourage you. No, it will be too late. I can encourage again. For Mr. Ashley, I tell Mr. Ashley good luck. And I tell him I want to see him to say congratulations. So we're outside Emancipation Park. And we can see it. Hi. So we're checking to see how the stage area will look later on. Take a look on the sponsors. Jamaica 63. Yeah. Take a good look. JCDC Festival Song Competition. Big up yourself, my daddy. Yeah, we're outside. National Housing Trust. Later on inside I got festive. Yeah, man. Place I got nice. So check out my people, check in. Emancipation Park. Yeah, man. Festival song. Yeah, man. We're outside. We're walking through. It's a beautiful place here. Yeah, man. So that's the grand entrance right there. Showcase that for you already. So I'm going to be just walking through Emancipation Park and show you the beauty that this place possesses. Yeah, man. Place nice. Well kept park. Just well kept. Good afternoon, princesses. I'm a YouTuber. Go by the name of Blvd. Thank you for the channel. You're going to get 2001 show again. You want to show us for the Instagram? No. Alright, thank you. I will walk into introducing ourselves to our beautiful people here. Yeah, man. Emancipation Park, nice and people. People that comes out in the afternoon and showcase themselves. Nice setting. Princess in red. Hi. You look bright and nice in your red today. Alright. Notice board. Nice settings. Here, there, and everywhere. Really nice. Right. Outside Emancipation Park. Wow. So there's three entrances. To my knowledge, there's three entrances. This is one of them. To the gate of the Emancipation Park. The outside. And this is Knutsford Road. Yeah, man. fully active outside. So at this point, my people, night is drawing nigh. So we just walk on the outskirts of Emancipation Park and show you the beauty. The children is having fun inside there. Big up to you, my Princess Safia. Big up Princess Mia. Yeah. Baby Sage. Yeah, outside. Mitzi Makala. Shavaya. Jamelia. Khaleesi. Pick up on yourself. Continue to watch our blessed travels. Continue to share with your family and your friends. Make them know say our blessed travels are good stuff. Quality content. Take us a hotel, let's walk past it. One of the day. I wanna visit the last floor up top. No joke. Yeah, man. Wedding. This is the third wedding I've seen since the day. This is the third one. Persons come to take pictures. The Emancipation Park. This is the third one from there. So we're walking through. Just to show you how the outskirts of Emancipation Park set up. Good afternoon. A lot of persons here. So this is how the outer skirt of Emancipation Park. So we are in Kingston, Oxford Road. Yeah, man. And the jerk, the entrepreneurs are out. Popcorn, theater, whistle out. Everyone is selling something. Yeah, man. And this lady is selling popcorn. So when you come and you want your popcorn, this is where you get your water, you get everything. The entrepreneurs are out. Yeah. The entrepreneurs are out. The other shops are nothing. You can take the printer. I'm vlogging, I'll show you the recent vlog. You wanna say hi? No? I wanna say hi. Another popcorn here. Generator them at bubble. Yeah. Jerk chicken man, I go out with himself after. Jerk chicken man. Big up yourself, Mr. Yeah, man. Yeah, top man in that. After the road. Top man, yes, sir. Yeah, top man, yes, sir. Right now. Right now. Yeah. No, boy, no guy says yes, sir. Nobody. Oh. Jerk chicken, how far are you from already? Tell you about out, 20 minutes. 20 minutes? Yeah. Alright. So you just have a price with life for tomorrow? I don't know if it's price of life. Right, sir. I think that was we call you entrepreneur, Mr. Yeah. Keep jerking. Yeah, man. Feed the nation. You see it. I'm as a YouTuber, check out this vlog. Some people are giving them this card to check me out. Yeah. Yeah, man. Ever Blessed Travels on YouTube. Yes, man. We're outside. Yeah, man. Yeah. So the vibe is on. Yeah. The thing, I thought you were going to put in gas where you want. Never do that. Always turn up. Alright? The outside. Everyone is up there. The entrepreneurs are out. Yeah, man. Outside.
Outside here.
Right. We're going to. We're moving to.
Okay.
See, it's another wedding there. Nice venue. Can't get any better than this. Pick up the energy. Yeah. Outside. So that's another wedding there. This is the third one or the fourth one since I've been here. Beautiful park. Yeah, man. Beautiful park. Really love this place. Nice place where you take your family out and have some fun as we walk through. Unfortunately, I only get the chance to speak with one festival. Hey! 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 Come on! Come on! Come on! That's how you go on. You're outside. One balloon bus, I'm see you jump. I walk on. Come back here, brother. Come back here. Come close to my camera, brother. So the lights are on earlier on. Surprisingly, the lights turned off. So we're walking through this place. Yeah, Emancipation Park. So today we'll be having TVJ, we're having CVM, we're having IRI FM. Those are some of the banners that I've seen. Yeah. Lights on. Let me see the beauty. Show my people the beauty that you possess. Earlier on music was the Gleaner is here. I'm just trying to see some of the sponsors. Melo FM is here. Jamaica 63 celebration. Yeah. JCDC Song Festival competition final. So after tonight, you can test energy? Okay. So I want to find a, yeah. So we're outside. And this is the machine that keeps the park clean. No joke. Outside. At the white line of the street. So it can come down. Some people, I won't be attending the festival competition. Just doing this vlog for you, showing you the preparation of it. My people ever blessed travelers is tired. Ray and nephew, I set up them thing there, so right there. Of going through. Yeah, man. Beautiful park. Really nice here in Kingston. Encourage anyone to be here. No joke. And there's a police post right there. So security tight. Yes. A lot of security personnel is everywhere. Everywhere for security, different colors. Angel, what's up? Your page a shout out, please.
Actually, my TikTok actually changed, so you can look up for Miss Angelica _David 22, and for Facebook, I think Facebook on Vanessa Johnson, you'll see what Instagram. It's the same page.
And here you are, my people, saying to you that, my people, thank you so much for your continued support to Ever Blessed Travels. I'm gonna say to you, my people, peace, love, and unity among men. See, big up yourself, my people. At this point, this video, my people, will come to an end. Ever Blessed Travels is saying, so long, and I will see you in the next one, outside of Kingston.